Now, the Religious Freedom Restoration Act, we've been hearing quite a lot about this. We heard about this with the Arizona baker. We've heard about this mentioned in Colorado, New Mexico before. With this, if someone was to invoke exemption under this, I mean, they essentially, explain this a little. They have to prove, okay, well, that they're Christian, that it does violate their religious conscience.
Correct. They have to prove a couple of things, Dana. The first one is they have to prove that they have a sincere religious objection, sincere religious belief. Then they have to show that the government regulation substantially burdens that sincere belief. And if they can show those two things, then the government is able to show, well, we can make the regulation stick if we, the government, can show that we have a compelling interest in doing so. And the problem for the government is they falter at every stage of the analysis. There's clearly a substantial burden on the Greens' sincere religious belief in this case, because the Greens are opposed to abortion on religious grounds and they're being forced to pay for it. And the second thing is the government cannot show that it has a compelling interest in making religious objectors like the Greens pay for these drugs when the government has ample other ways to make the drugs and devices available.
Yeah, well, and this too, it's not like they're monsters. I mean, I was talking about this earlier. They pay more than minimum wage. They have eye dental. They already provide contraception. They're getting really beaten up in the media on false charges.
Well, the Green family who own Hobby Lobby, they have been providing health care coverage to their employees for years, Dana. As you know, they've been doing it long before the Affordable Care Act. Yeah. And they've been providing contraceptive coverage to their employees long before the Affordable Care Act. And they have no objection to the vast majority of contraceptives that are available, as you've pointed out. So you're quite right. The only issue here, it's not about contraceptives at all. The issue is about abortion and the Greens' sincere religious objection to abortion. And here's the other thing. The Greens are not saying to their employees, well, you can't work at Hobby Lobby unless you agree not to use these 4 forms of contraception. Far from it. The Greens are saying just leave us out of it as to these 4 drugs and devices.